More than half of all modern snakes, more than 1,700 species, are classified in the family Colubridae, sometimes called the harmless snakes. They are distributed on every continent except for Antarctica. Obviously, however, individual species have a much narrower range, and many species are in critical danger of extinction, in part because of their extremely narrow geographic range, where they are now especially susceptible to habitat loss. Thus, one would expect that in different parts of the world, snake diversity would vary, both in the individual species present and in the number of species. Take, for example, the country of Paraguay. It has about the same size as the states of Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. But the diversity of colubrid snakes that one finds in Paraguay far exceeds the number found in the Northeast United States. Not only are all the species different, they do not share a single species, the number of species differs greatly. There are a number of reasons for this. First of all, Paraguay is subtropical, and reptiles in general do better in warmer climates. These two different areas would have different potential food sources, different potential predators, and competitors. Another factor that must be considered is the site where ancestral snakes evolved and their history of spreading throughout other continents or not. And so, for example, this family, Colubridae, can be divided into a number of subfamilies. The subfamily Colubrinae is very widespread, being known on every continent except Antarctica, and including the rat snakes and the milk snakes, which can be found in our area. The subfamily Natricinae is smaller than Colubrinae. Colubridae is the second largest with almost 700 species, but it includes water snakes and garter snakes, which can be found in our area and is known from every continent except for Antarctica and South America. The subfamily Grayiinae is the smallest subfamily with only 4 species, known only from tropical Africa. Other subfamilies are limited to Asia and Australia, or 2 subfamilies are known only in southern and southeastern Asia. The subfamily Dipsadinae, which is sometimes classified as its own separate family, Dipsadidae, is the largest subfamily with more than 780 species, and it can then be subdivided into a number of clades. One clade of snakes is known only from South America and the Caribbean. One clade is only known from Central America, and one clade from North America, and includes the hognose snake and ringneck snakes, which can be found in this area. And so one of the factors affecting the distribution of modern snakes is where ancestral members of each clade have evolved and where they have been able to migrate to from that original site.